This is how you make cream of it. Get a radish, put it down. You get a dollop of hot sauce. Even it out, maybe a little more. Put it down.
That's a lot of hot sauce.
I like hot sauce. Grab some bean sprouts with your fingers, makes it taste better. Put them in the middle. Second time I ever tried bean sprouts in it, tasted pretty good. Perfect. Some meat. Oh, forgot that.
Very well done.
Garlic. You need well done meat though. One piece of garlic here, one piece here. After you do that, put in your meat, you fold it like a truffle, and enjoy. If you could pick it up.